And ultimately, one thing I can tell you for certain the markets don't like is uncertainty. We've still got monetary policy being very restrictive right now. You can see the S&P kind of throwing it down a little bit. It has done things like this previously. I would expect to see some support coming in and around here, or I'd certainly like to see it. I think people are worried that this is now the crack, like, you know, this is the start of something deeper. I'm on the alternative camp. I think where do people put their money? And I think right now, people already have a lot of cash on the sidelines in regards to the yields that are being offered by money market funds. But there are a lot of stocks out there that are getting hit very harshly. Tesla, you know, since we called it long, we got very close to our target. We didn't quite make it, but this has really thrown it down. I wouldn't like to see it sort of run the one. I think one thing I'm looking forward to this week, of course, is what's taking place on Wednesday, which is CPI. Inflation has been uptrending recently. I know trueflation, you know, it's not massive, and you're going to have fluctuations, but I know trueflation has theirs came down significantly. I think you're going to get a lower than expected print on Wednesday. That could fuel the market somewhat, certainly in regards to the prospect of future interest rate cuts. We've given back some of the progress that we made, but I can't time every local top and bottom in what is a broader uptrend. I think HBAR is going to multiple dollars. I think there's many cryptos out there that we're holding that are going to do well. But some of the horror stories I'm seeing, I think one thing this pullback is even making me question. I have smaller altcoins that are just getting killed. Luckily, they're not a large part of my portfolio, and that's for a reason. You really think about what you're holding. There is, in the future, going to be a cycle that's driven more on usage and utility. And I think there'll be a general effect of everything rising at once. But there are things that are going to just do insanely well based on usage and utility and real-world application. And they're the ones you want to be